What's going on, everybody? It's T-Bizzle, Passport Action. I'm currently back in Brazil, Rio De Janeiro, and I decided to film me going to find some breakfast. Right now, the reais to the dollar has dropped from when it was last month. Last month it was like 5.77. Right now it's like 1 to 5, something like that. So we're gonna go see how much a decent breakfast in Brazil is gonna cost. So I'm gonna bring y'all on a trip. Let's go check it out. So we currently on the back streets of Copacabana. Like 1 block over this way is Atlantica Avenue, where the beach is, where the popular Copacabana beach is. So we like 1 block over. So let's see what we see. Finally made it to the spot right here. It's called Bibi's. It ain't nothing really too special about this spot. It's just close to me, and the breakfast is pretty good. And the thing is, you got to make it before 11 to get the actual breakfast special. So I had to get I woke up late, and it's like 10 something right now. So I'm about to go in here and check it out. I'll show y'all in a minute. So I was actually supposed to do this video yesterday, but my flight got delayed by an hour, which made me miss my connecting flight, which made me stay in Sao Paulo until like 12 o'clock almost. I had to battle with LATAM Airlines for them to reissue me a new ticket because I stood in line for 1 hour downstairs. They said you should go to the other line, it's shorter. I went upstairs, stood in that line for 2 hours. I made it to the ticket counter, and then they tell me, nah, you need to go to the other airline, Delta. I'm like, I don't need to go to Delta. I needed to come here to get reissued my ticket anyway. And I stood in line this long. I possibly could have made it. And they was like, no, you couldn't have made it. You need to go over there. So I had to battle with them. Man, can you get the manager?
No. Yeah, you can.
I am recording you. Can you get the manager? And argue with them. Started recording them and asked to speak with a manager before I could actually get some assistance. First, people at LATAM, whatever, act like they didn't even care. Hey, what's the 10 items I could choose from? Or like, where I could choose the items at? Okay, so I knew I wasn't tripping. It's another menu where you get to choose your 10 items or whatever, or your 5 items or 7 items. Because I'm looking all over this menu and I couldn't find it. So let's see what they got. Okay, there we go. So this is the sheet, and they give you this pencil, and you get to choose 5, 7, or 10 items. And I showed y'all the price for the 5 If y'all can see it, that's a small breakfast, medium breakfast, a large breakfast. 20, 80 for the small, 28.40 for the medium, and the 38.90 for the large. And these are the items I get to choose from. Let me see. I'm gonna give me some scrambled eggs. The scrambled eggs right there. I'm gonna get some bacon. I'm gonna get a cappuccino. What else I want? I might only get 5, y'all. Last time I got 10, and it was because they give you actually a good amount of eggs. I guess I'm gonna go with I might go with this sliced banana maybe. Or no, I'm gonna tell them give me 2 of these. 2 bacon. I might do 7. We're gonna do 7 because I want to get the bananas. Also, I'll get the sliced banana. And I'll go with this ham. And that's it. So my breakfast just came out. I see they got one thing wrong. Hey, one thing, I was getting juice. Papaya juice on the sheet. Let me see the sheet. So this is the egg, bacon, some ham, bananas, and they still ain't bring my coffee or the juice. Yeah, they forgot the coffee and the juice, the cappuccino and the juice. And I just had them bring this water out. Thank you. And I got this right there. I think that should have been came out. So let me go to my translator app. Not translator, my currency app. So this breakfast costs $28. This breakfast right here is $5.67. And I got a juice that's supposed to come. So this is $5.67 breakfast. And Copacabana. Somewhere else you can probably find it definitely way cheaper than this, but it's definitely good. Man, I'm stuffed. See how I started out. I could probably keep going, but I got my new rule that says once I'm full, I need to stop eating. I'm like drinking this coffee, this juice, and this water, but I'm stuck. I think it's cigar time. It's cigar time. I'll walk the beach, smoke a cigar after I pay for this. Hey, something else I noticed, like here in Mexico, I don't know, some places in the States probably got these too, but like I ain't seen no plastic straws. They always give you the paper straws now, which is cool. I guess they're very health conscious. I really noticed it a lot in Mexico though, but they have them at a lot of places here also. But yeah, I'm gonna walk the beach and smoke a cigar for a little bit. So this was my $5 breakfast in Rio in Copacabana, as a matter of fact, because you know it's probably way cheaper the further you get away from here. So check y'all out next time. Peace out.